Embrace the joy of cleaning. It's easier than you think. Many people find cleaning to be a chore. It's something that often feels like a never-ending task, a duty that looms over us waiting to be done. The thought of picking up a broom or a mop can be daunting, especially after a long day of work or taking care of other responsibilities. They see it as a burden, something to be avoided at all costs. The mere idea of scrubbing floors or dusting shelves can fill us with dread. We procrastinate, finding any excuse to put it off until tomorrow and then the next day, and so on. The cycle continues and the mess grows. But what if we could change our perspective? What if cleaning didn't have to be something we dreaded? What if, instead, it could be something we looked forward to, a time to unwind and take care of our personal space? Changing our mindset can make a world of difference. Imagine seeing cleaning not as a chore, but as a way to care for our homes and ourselves. Think of it as a form of self-care, a way to nurture the environment we live in. When we clean, we are not just tidying up, we are creating a space that reflects our inner peace and well-being. This guide will help you transform your cleaning routine from a dreaded task to a more positive experience. We'll show you how to shift your mindset and find joy in the process. Cleaning doesn't have to be a mundane activity. It can be a time for reflection, creativity, and even fun. We'll explore simple, practical tips that bring joy and ease to the process. From setting the right mood with music to using natural cleaning products that smell wonderful, there are many ways to make cleaning more enjoyable. We'll also share time-saving techniques that make the process more efficient. You'll learn how to make cleaning more efficient and enjoyable. By breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed. We'll also discuss the importance of having the right tools and supplies on hand, so you're always prepared to tackle any mess. Remember, a clean home is more than just a tidy space. It's a reflection of our state of mind and our commitment to self-care. A clean home can reduce stress, improve our mood, and create a sense of order and calm in our lives. It's a sanctuary, a place where we can relax and recharge. When our home is clean and organized, it becomes a haven where we can escape from the chaos of the outside world. It's a place where we can truly be ourselves and find peace. By embracing the joy of cleaning, we can create a more peaceful and harmonious living environment. Cleaning can become a meditative practice, a time to clear our minds and focus on the present moment. It's an opportunity to take pride in our space and make it truly our own. Let's begin our journey to a cleaner, happier home. Together, we'll discover the joy of cleaning and transform our living spaces into places of comfort and tranquility. So grab your cleaning supplies, put on your favorite music, and let's get started on this exciting journey. The 5-minute power clean. Small steps, big impact. Don't let a busy schedule be an excuse for a messy apartment. The 5-minute power clean is a game changer. This method focuses on quick bursts of cleaning that make a noticeable difference. Set a timer for 5 minutes and focus on one small area, like your kitchen counter or coffee table. Wipe down surfaces, put things back in their designated spots, and marvel at the instant transformation. These small wins throughout the day prevent clutter from accumulating. This makes your regular cleaning routine much easier. Remember, consistency is key. Even on your busiest days, you can spare 5 minutes to tidy up. Small actions done consistently lead to remarkable results. Declutter your way to a cleaner home. Less stuff, less mess. A cluttered space can make cleaning feel overwhelming. Decluttering is a powerful first step towards a cleaner and more peaceful home. Start by identifying items you no longer use or love. Be honest with yourself about what truly sparks joy in your life. Let go of anything that doesn't serve a purpose or bring you happiness. Donate, sell, or discard items that no longer contribute to your well-being. Having less stuff automatically means less to clean and organize. This creates a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. A clutter-free environment promotes a sense of peace and clarity. The magic of multitasking. Combine chores for maximum efficiency. Make the most of your time by multitasking your cleaning tasks. While you're on the phone, quickly unload the dishwasher or fold a load of laundry. Listen to an inspiring podcast while you dust furniture or wipe down surfaces. Combine tasks that complement each other, like spraying down the shower while you brush your teeth. These small changes maximize your efficiency and free up your time for more enjoyable activities. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a solitary activity. Invite your family or roommates to join in the fun. Put on some upbeat music and turn cleaning into a collaborative effort. You don't need a cabinet overflowing with specialized cleaning products. A few basic effective supplies are all you need to keep your apartment sparkling. Invest in a good all-purpose cleaner, microfiber cloths, a scrub brush, and a spray bottle. For a touch of natural cleaning power, consider using white vinegar and baking soda. These versatile ingredients can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks without the use of harsh chemicals. Remember to store your cleaning supplies in a convenient and accessible location. This will make it easier to grab what you need and tidy up quickly. A well-organized cleaning caddy can make all the difference. Dust and fingerprints can quickly dull the shine of your apartment's surfaces. Make it a habit to quickly dust your furniture and shelves with a microfiber cloth. Pay attention to areas that tend to attract dust, such as electronics and lampshades. For glass surfaces like mirrors and windows, a simple mixture of water and white vinegar will create a streak-free shine. Wipe down countertops and appliances regularly to prevent grime buildup. Remember, a little effort goes a long way. By incorporating quick surface cleaning into your daily routine, you can maintain a sparkling home with minimal effort. The bathroom is a space that requires regular attention to stay fresh and hygienic. Make it a habit to quickly wipe down the sink and countertop after each use. This prevents water stains and soap scum buildup. Once a week, give your toilet a thorough cleaning with a disinfectant cleaner. Pay attention to the handle and the area around the base, as these areas tend to harbor germs. Deep clean your shower or bathtub regularly to prevent mold and mildew growth. Remember, ventilation is key to preventing mold and mildew in the bathroom. After showering or bathing, open a window or turn on the exhaust fan to allow moisture to escape. A dry bathroom is a happy bathroom. Kitchen confidence. Mastering the heart of your apartment. The kitchen is often the hub of activity in an apartment, so it's important to keep it clean and organized. After each meal, wash dishes immediately or load them into the dishwasher. Wipe down counters and stovetops to prevent food spills from hardening. Clean out your refrigerator regularly to discard expired food and prevent unpleasant odors. Once a week, give your sink a thorough cleaning with baking soda and water to keep it smelling fresh. Remember, a clean kitchen is essential for good hygiene and preventing food contamination. By maintaining a clean and organized kitchen, you'll feel more confident and comfortable preparing meals. Floors that sparkle. Easy steps for a spotless finish. Whether you have hardwood floors, tile, or carpet, regular cleaning is essential for maintaining their appearance and longevity. Sweep or vacuum your floors regularly to remove dust, dirt, and debris. Use a damp mop on hard floors to pick up any remaining dirt and leave a streak-free shine. For carpets, regular vacuuming is essential for removing dirt and preventing it from becoming embedded in the fibers. Consider using a carpet cleaner periodically to remove deeper stains and refresh the fibers. Remember, a clean floor can instantly transform the look and feel of your apartment. Make it a habit to address spills immediately to prevent stains. Use doormats to trap dirt and prevent it from being tracked throughout your apartment. Laundry day. Love making washing a breeze. Laundry can feel like a never-ending chore, but a few simple strategies can make it more manageable. Instead of letting laundry pile up, try doing a load or two every few days. This will prevent you from feeling overwhelmed and make the task less daunting. Invest in laundry baskets or hampers that you love to make the process more enjoyable. Use a laundry sorter to separate clothes by color and fabric type, which will save you time when it's time to wash. Remember, folding and putting away your laundry immediately after it's dry will prevent wrinkles and make you feel more organized. Turn on some music or listen to a podcast while you fold to make the time fly by. Embrace the calm. Make cleaning your moment of zen. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. Embrace it as a time to clear your mind, practice mindfulness, and create a more peaceful living environment. As you clean, pay attention to the sensations in your body and the rhythm of your movements. Let go of any stressful thoughts and focus on the present moment. Appreciate the feeling of a clean and tidy space and the positive energy it brings to your home. Remember, cleaning is an act of self-care. By taking care of our homes, we are also taking care of ourselves. Embrace the transformative power of cleaning and create a home that sparks joy and tranquility.